Hello students of Standard 4th, DAV Model Public School, Sita Songi welcome you all in online session of English. This is Usha and today's topic is tenses. This topic is taken from your English practice book. So let's start. As we know, there are three main tenses. First one is present tense. Present tense means which is going on. Another one, next one is past tense, which is happened. And third tense is future tense, means which will be happened, which will be go. So these are the main three tenses. Present tense, revise it after me students. Present tense, past tense, future tense. These are the main tenses. And there are 4 subtenses of main tenses. Today now we are looking about present tense. First one is simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. These are the 4 subtenses of present tense. Today we are learning about present continuous tense. As we can see in the picture, a woman and a boy is walking. This is the example of present continuous tense. Means action is going on. Now past tense. Past tense is also 4 substances. Simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. These are the 4 tenses, substances of past tense. Look at this. This is the picture image of the previous night. Means which action is happened. And third one is future tense. There are also 4 substances of future tense. First one is simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. Look at this picture, the bird. Bird is flying. He want to build a nest on that tree. It will be a example of future tense. The bird will make a nest on that tree. This is the example of future tense. These are the 4 substances of future tense. As we learn in this video, first one is present tense, past tense and future tense, and there are 4 substances. Now look at this picture. In this picture we can see many things in the classroom is happening. Dhruv is drawing a cartoon on the blackboard. This is imaginary name. Okay, look at this. Who is drawing a cartoon on the blackboard? That boy is Dhruv. Dhruv is drawing a cartoon on the blackboard. Next one is Sahiba is. Look at this picture, look at this image and make a sentence for this image. Sahiba is, what is Sahiba? Look at this. Sahiba is reading. Sahiba is reading a book. Yes, Sahiba is reading a book. Next one is Raghav and Mohit. Look at this pair. Okay, Raghav and Mohit are fighting with each other. Raghav and Mohit are fighting with each other. Note down in the copy. Complete these sentences. Okay, students? Shreya is. Who is Shreya? Okay, that girl is Shreya. Who is singing? Shreya is singing a song. In this way, you will complete the all sentences. Okay, students? You have to complete. This is your assignment according to that image. You have to write down 5 more sentences to describe what is going on in the classroom. Okay, like this. Look at this. One girl and boy. Give them any name like Sona and Mohit. Yes, Sona and Mohit is playing a game in the classroom. In this way, you will complete the 5 sentences. Okay? This is your assignment, today's assignment. Now, next example. A man is playing a guitar. Look at this picture, look at the picture and write the action. A man is playing a guitar. In this picture we can see the man is playing a guitar. In the next picture we can see a lady. A lady is drinking a tea or coffee. As you like, you can make the sentence. This is your homework. Note down in the copy. Complete these sentences. Okay? A lady is drinking a tea. And another sentence is a boy is, what is the boy doing? Look at this picture. A boy is playing with the ball. A boy is playing with a ball. Next one is, look at this picture. A girl is, yes, a girl is plucking the flowers. A girl is plucking the flowers. Next picture, a boy is, yes, a boy is climbing on the ladder. A boy is climbing on the ladder. These all are example of present continuous tense. Okay, note down in the copy. Okay, students? Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day and learn the all tenses. Stay safe, stay at home and stay safe. Bye. Good day.